going on, guys? I'm RJ with Xprite. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our brand new G6 taillights. Installation on Jeep taillights is fairly simple. All you have to do is remove these two screws with the Phillips screwdriver. In fact, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver for the whole install. Now that we removed the two screws, we can go ahead and remove the taillight. If you notice, we currently have aftermarket taillights on here already. However, the install is going to be the same as if you had stock taillights. So once you remove the taillight, your next step is just going to be to remove this connection right here. That's it. Next, you're going to want to install this resistor onto the supplied bracket using a couple of screws and nuts, which are also supplied with you. Once that's done, you'll be able to mount it up against this piece right here with the supplied clips. Once you have the bracket in place, I like to use a pair of pliers just to tighten them down a little bit here. Once that's done, just reconnect your tail light, and then screw in your two screws. And that, guys, is how you install our new G6 taillights.